Hello, my name is Jorge, and I'm the Hospitality Management Program Manager here at Cornerstone College in Vancouver. My role is to inspire students and teachers every day about the benefits of being part of the hospitality industry. The Hospitality Management Program is a very well-balanced program talking about soft skills and hard skills. I find this balance very unique at Cornerstone College, because this way you will get the right tools to perform successfully as a leader and at the same time acquire all the technical knowledge you need to stand out in this industry. After graduating from this program, you're ready for success to be a manager, a leader, a high performer in a great company, working in hotels, hospitality, food and beverage, tourism, being a great events host. If you picture yourself there, this program is for you. If you want to be an entrepreneur and start your own company, because as an international student you can, this program is for you. I hope this video helped you to understand better our hospitality management program. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out through our website or our social media platforms.